Hey everybody, Jay from Jay's Politics Blog Podcast again, and I got a new microphone, the Samson Q2. I've partially unboxed it already. Obviously you get the mic, but you also get some documentation, online registration information, and Samson sound deck, a noise compressor I guess, or noise deck, something like that. So, don't mind me, I'm going to unbox this. Oh, come on you. It doesn't want to come out. Come on. Come on. There we go. And just rip the box, but good thing I paid for this. Alright. Screw it. I'm ripping the cardboard. Alright. So in this you get the USB cable, the XLR cable, windscreen, which is nice, now I don't have to take this one off. Mic stand, mic clip, but does not have 5/8 to 3/8 connector, so I'll have to buy one of those separately. Alright. I wonder if it'll fit in my mic clip. If not, I have this one. Put on there. And of course, the microphone. So as you can see, and I'm sure you've seen reviews of this before, it's a couple-year-old mic. You got the XLR input, you got the USB input, and then you have the headphone jack input. On the front of the microphone, you have the on-off switch. Actually, start USB light, showing that you got power. On-off switch, and then volume controls up and down. I'm going to pause my recording and start it up again, and we'll plug this in. We'll see how it sounds. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about the bump there. This is me recording on the USB mode of the Q2U. Alright, this is just me testing it out. I'm in the yellow. I could probably bring it down a little bit more, but I just wanted to see how it sounded. I'm not monitoring live. I could, but I'm not. I'm listening to something else while I want to listen on my mixer, so gonna bring it down. Testing. Now you'll notice I did put the windscreen on just to help with any plosives. Alright, I'm gonna reconnect my XLR cable. Wish me luck. Okay, so now we have it connected via XLR, and we'll see how this sounds. Like I said, I'm just trying out. This is my typical settings for a dynamic mic. I don't know how it sounds. It sounds fine in my headphones, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's coming out into the laptop very well, so we'll see. Alrighty. I'm gonna clip this all together and we'll see. Okay, so now, kind of the last thing I wanted to talk about is the mic stand and the mic clip. All right, so the mic clip feels plasticky, maybe rubbery. Like the inside has got some grip to it, but it's not the highest quality. Like I said, it does not have the 5/8 to 3/8 inch adapter. So, I mean, I don't have any booms that require the 3/8, but eventually I might. Then there's the stand. No shock absorption. It's a simple little stand, plastic down here, metal right here. The nice thing about this, I can make an extension out of it. You know? Again, no 5/8 to 3/8. But this right here is plastic. So overall, I'm liking it so far. I haven't tested it much. I will be testing it because, as you can see, I went back to my Audio Technica. I'm gonna try this out a little bit more over the next few days, especially podcasting. I will probably try doing I'm going to try and do a live hangout where I feed the audio into the headset and hopefully it'll go back out. I'm going to try and get somebody to discuss with me the full conversation and see what it says. All right. So with that, I'm pretty stoked about it and looking forward to using it. The part of the reason I wanted to get it was I'm looking for something that I can use here in the house that if for whatever reason, or even traveling, if I'm traveling and I want to record while I'm sitting there, I have my C9020. I now have this, and I can record, such as like if I'm going on a cruise or something. I don't have to lug around my mixer or digital audio interface. You know, it won't be the greatest quality, but it'll be decent, you know? So, yeah, just I really hope you guys enjoy that. Sorry, I'm watching a YouTube video while I'm recording today, so you're not hearing because I have it feeding through the mixer and into a channel that I have muted before it goes out into the USB line. So, really, for what I can say, you know, I paid $59 or $60 for this. It is actually currently on Amazon right now. And actually, I'm going to try and pull that up. Hopefully, I can get the... Yep, see, this is a video I'm watching. Now, pull that off. Want to make sure that would line up correctly. And we got Amazon.com. Sorry. Sorry, guys. We'll try to edit this out, but I probably won't. Samsung Q2U USB/XLR. Anyways, so, like I said, going back to where it was. And we're going to go to sound.